Hi Trending Topics community, we just found this very funny house full of intelligent devices developed by a Bulgarian company called mClimate. We are very curious what it's all about, so we're going to ask them right now.
mClimate, we initially started with our product Melissa. All of our products help you make your home smart. We help you save your time, save your money, and of course give you more comfort. Basically, our products make your entire home smart by retrofitting your old appliances. The essence behind it is that we want to connect your appliances to your smartphone so that you have greater control over your house, and so that our algorithms give you better comfort, because all the devices basically they monitor your usage. We have Melissa, which makes any air conditioner smart. We have Bobby, which makes any water heater smart. We have Vicky, which makes any radiator smart. So if you're heating with gas or district heating, maybe pellets, who knows, we turn your existing dump heating system into a new one. We have Smart Plug, which makes any appliance smart. It basically turns on and off the appliance. You can hook it up to a lamp. You can hook it up to, for example, an iron. I have this at my house because I always used to forget the iron on. So what basically happens is that in our application, it tracks my location. So when I exit home, it turns off the iron automatically. It's convenience, and again, safety, saving money, comfort, all those stuff.
How many of the products are your own development?
Software-wise, all of them are our development. Hardware-wise, we have a robot vacuum cleaner. It's a very nice smart home product. Hardware-wise, it's not our product. It's being produced in China. But it runs on our software. The market for smart water heaters in the US is estimated to be 3.7 billion annually from just making the existing water heaters they're smart. So a total value added would be generated because utilities, they want to have control over your water heater. Why? Because it's essentially a battery. So whenever, for example, there is overproduction of wind power, wind generation, or solar generation, the utility actually doesn't have where to store this energy. And what they do, and we have pilots in three utilities in 3 different countries, what they do when they have overproduction of renewables is they basically turn on your water heater, it heats up, they basically insert the energy there, it's almost free for you as a consumer, but you're also helping the grid and you're helping the environment as well.
Which are your markets?
Since last year, we started selling from our own website and we sell internationally. So we sell to all kinds of countries. Trinidad and Tobago, for example. We have sales there. We even have a distributor there. But if you ask me about my strongest markets, there are definitely the Scandinavian countries.
Isn't there a lot of competition?
Oh, there's huge competition. The thing is that the smart home market, it's gonna enter maturity somewhere in the future, in the near future, and there are, lots of companies developing and offering all kinds of solutions. There are again the Chinese that are offering solutions to European companies and consumers. But what we see is that customers are really, really frustrated because there are so many options on the market. So what we see is that whenever a customer is happy with a company, they tend to stick with this company's products. In 2014, we incorporated a company. We found early investors, 11 and Rosling Capital from Bulgaria. They believed in the team, they believed in the mission of the company and what we've achieved so far, and they invested. The real work began about 2015. So 2015, it was an interesting year because we had to build the product. The person that was building the hardware part of the product At some point, he stopped coming to work. He didn't pick up the phone for 3 months. It was like, what the hell is happening? But it turns out that he had some personal issues. That's fine. Then we restored the work, and 2016 we had a product. 2016 we were about 12 or 13 people at the office. Now we were 10, and then I hired 3 salespeople. I hired 3 salespeople because obviously when you have salespeople, you gotta have some choice. Out of 3 people, you're gonna have a bestseller, you're gonna have mediocre, and of course somebody that doesn't do anything. And it was exactly the case. So in this year, we actually achieved some pretty, extraordinary sales results for the first year. Then in 2017, I had to, the partners, we decided that we have to make the portfolio bigger because we saw the potential of actually somebody buying one of our products, being happy, and then buying another one. 2017, we generated about 40% lower revenue than 2016, when we had basically 3 salespeople, including me, and then 2017 we had like almost 15 salespeople. So that was kind of crazy. So I decided to basically let go of the people that were working outside, let go of the sales director as well, and then I have one salesperson here, and it's me. And I decided to fix the situation. So 2018 we had 100% increase in revenue compared to the previous year, and as I said earlier, 2019 it's going to be another at least 100% because we are already at 95% and it's February.
What else can we expect from mClimate in the next 12 months?
In the next 12 months, so we're going to be releasing a portfolio of security products. So what you're going to see from us is sensors for motion detection, for open doors and window detection, for smoke, and for leakage. This is the list that you're going to see, and you're going to see it in Q2. We have a couple of pilot projects with utilities. We have in Australia, in Sweden, in Norway. We're going to start another project soon here in Bulgaria.